company was established by my father, Janis Kauše Sr. in 1967. Currently, we are employing 25 highly skilled workers and operating on a 2,200 square meter production site. The company specializes in CNC processing, turning, grinding, honing, and in other essential methods required for quality material processing. Almost all of our machines are either made by FANUC or equipped with FANUC products. We use FANUC robo-drill machining centers, FANUC robots, and FANUC machine controllers. Consequently, we have reached a level of automation where repetitive tasks are mostly done by robots instead of workers. We have already been negotiating with FANUC to purchase their latest processing machine, Robo-Drill Advance. For us, FANUC is the equivalent of quality and reliable performance.